Hey guys, Dark of the Moon, or Ratchet Reviews here with the Dark of the Moon video review. And this time I will be reviewing Dark of the Moon Ratchet. Mech Tech Deluxe Ratchet, who is the same exact car as he has been in the last 3 movies, just this time he's been repainted. And here's his Mech Tech weapon, which this is probably my favorite Mech Tech Deluxe weapon. It's this nasty looking blaster, though. I don't understand why they would kind of go for this blasterish like look, but then once you pull this little lever back, the saw blade comes out and it'll spin, because there's that gear right there, and as it's going in, it goes into these gears right here, those gears right there, so it makes it spin. It just spins quite a bit sometimes. Okay, so enough of that. Let's get on to the figure. He's the Hummer H2 rescue truck, just this time he's repainted to be a bit more neon of a green. Rescue Fire E4 on the sides, which it doesn't show on my camera, but where the white stripe separates. Oh, there it goes. I get close enough. You can actually see that it did not go very well on the paint for his E4 on there, which I don't know what it means by E4. So, and then there's back, finally a Ratchet toy with a back section, like how it with an accurate back section. So now, a minute, almost fell off my chair. So now, the Mech Tech weapon can go on here. That looks really doofy. And it also can go on these panels right here. Like that. Which also looks doofy, but set that off to the side. To transform Ratchet, you want to come under here. Oh, and I forgot to do that earlier. Usually, once you have him like transformed. Oh, wait, is it not? I'm gonna no. There. Usually, when you have him transformed, just so his head's not poking out underneath, you want to rotate his head back. Otherwise, okay, which you should do after once transformation's all done. So, come under here in these door panels and just kind of pull it out, and these pieces will snag onto there and then unfold out on their own. But really, that might not be the best thing to do. And then you take these panels that I showed earlier that come out and fold them out, separate the legs, and take this piece forward and fold that piece in, and it'll clip around like that, and then take the leg, straighten it out, take out the foot and rotate it around, do the same over here. Take this entire, take the hood piece, the entire white part of the hood, and rotate it around, just like that. And then rotate his head around, fold that down, fold down the bumper, fold out his arms, make sure you have everything all nice and lined up correctly, and just like that. And then we have Dark of the Moon Deluxe Ratchet. Now, he's quite arguably the simplest Dark of the Moon transformer there is for Mech Tech Deluxe. And he certainly isn't any much bigger. I mean, there he is with Topspin. Topspin's actually at least a head taller than him, which is really weird. So, yeah, there's Ratchet in this mode. And for his Mech Tech weapon, you can put it over here on his shoulder. But it's kind of hard for access, and it just looks really, really weird. But you could also put it on his arm, and you could put it in his hand either this way, or you could set it down straight this way. Just a personal preference. So there's Ratchet. I do like him, but of course I like all Ratchets. I just had to pick this one up, and if you're a fan of Ratchet, pick him up. If you're not, I wouldn't waste the rest of your money though. If you're on a budget and you don't really want another, or you don't want a smaller down Ratchet because you don't like the size classes like I did, don't get it. But if you like Ratchet, if this one, it's kind of simple for a movie Transformer. It's just too simple for me. That's my problem. It's too simple to be a movie Transformer. It's too simplified, and it could have easily been made a bit more complicated. But he looks really cool, though. You gotta give that to him, though. He does look really cool. I do like the new color scheme. But if you just want a Ratchet in this color scheme and you don't want to pay the $20 Target exclusive to get the same piece of crap that we got for 2007 and 2009 for the Revenge of the Fallen, then get him. Actually, I didn't have that much problem with that mold either. It's just, yeah, it's kind of iffy in some spots. But if you don't want the same exact Voyager mold as you got the last two movies, then get him. Alright, it's nice to have a new Ratchet to fiddle around with instead of a repaint that you've already messed with countless times before for the last two movies. So, I do recommend this one if you want it. Oh, and then there's also the Deluxe Revenge of the Fallen one, but now it just looks silly in his Jeep mode. So yeah, here's Ratchet Review's review of Ratchet, and I will see you guys next time.